pancakes. What do we need? Sugar, milk, egg, baking powder, flour and oil. Is it good? Potebij. Dobra. Yeah. Yes, was a nice house. Yeah. This house is like this. I like to have one. Bravo. Where are you going? In the forest? It looks like in the forest. guys, this is a shopping that I did today at Aldi for £26. If you can see, I will show you one by one. So I bought fries, this tomato, sweet wine ripped tomato, Greek yogurt, grapes, seedless red grapes and seedless white grapes, and 2 cookies, white chocolate cookies and triple chocolate cookies, 1 pasta sauce, cola, big cola, cheese, grated cheese, a milk, butter, 2 biscuit or 2 fig rolls, 1 package with tortilla wraps, and giant buttons with caramel flavor. Also, did I say leches and British cooked ham, two of them. So, also, and chocolate, but the chocolate is already beginning and finishing. 2 wraps, and here I have some ingredients. Will be with coleslaw, with British cooked ham, and it will be with just some salad, like lettuce and tomato. And now I will create and I will show you. Also with chips. Here is the mix. I will make it like this. I have put here coleslaw, lettuce, tomato and chips. And now I will make it like this, like a wrap. But first I have done 2 of them, and ham also. So I will make with mustard, and then with ketchup. Here 2 big wraps, because I made them one for my son. That's big wrap. 2 big wraps. So can you try? Do you like this with tomato? Or
No,
yours? Yours is without tomato?
Not. And here are the fries. You can taste one, Mama.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Good. Big wrap.